Did you know that you can create a custom color to use with your Google Docs, drawings, slides, and sheets that exactly matches with a color from an image or clip art that you are using? Well, you can. And you can do it in just a few seconds by using the recently added Eyedropper tool. And after you create your custom color, you'll be able to use that color anywhere else in that same Google file. In my document, you can see I have the Oakland Schools logo. I want to match the title of my document to the colors of the logo. In the past, I would try to do that using the ready-made colors that are in this palette. And you can see that some of them are close, but none of them are an exact match. And sometimes I would even try to make my own custom color by using these slider tools and adjusting with clicking around and trying to find the right color and guessing and trying over and over again. And again, I came close, but none of them were right. And now I can do it in just a few seconds. And here's how. In the toolbar, click the text color box. If you're in slides or you have a shape selected, you can use the color box from shapes or lines. It doesn't matter which one. You just need to be able to find the eyedropper tool. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now that it's attached and active, you can see that it's a circle with a little square in the middle, and the square is the eyedropper. So whatever that's resting on is the color I'm going to pick. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Oakland Schools Blue, and now I have that added to my color palette. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight part of my title and change it to Oakland Schools Blue. And now it's a perfect match. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the green. Again, I find where I can make a color selection. I click the eyedropper. I drag the tiny little square to the color I want. And now I have the green. You can see right there it's changed to green. I'm going to go and highlight this part and choose that green. And now my title is a perfect match for the logo. Another way to use it is to pull color out of another image, like a piece of clip art like I have here. And I want the title for this piece of writing that I'm developing to use with students to match the color in the whale. So I'm going to go ahead and come back up to my color tool, select the eyedropper, go to the color in the whale that I want, highlight my text, and use my custom matching color. Now, even more exciting is that you can also do this with something that isn't even a part of your document or your slide. Whatever you have open on your screen, you can get that color. So if I want that brilliant blue right there, as long as I can see it, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to find my color tool here. And I'm going to get my eyedropper, and I can come right over here onto this web page and grab that blue, and now it's part of my color palette, and I can use that color as well. So anything that's on your screen can become a custom color for you, and it's as simple as just a few seconds with the eyedropper tool. So have fun really improving the designs on your documents and slides and even your sheets, and hope that you enjoy this tip.